This is the Genesis G90. Your Genesis is equipped with an entire host of advanced driver assistance systems, such as forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, driver attention warning, and more. To customize or turn on or off the alerts from these systems, press the Setup button, then Vehicle, and then Driver Assistance. To change the initial warning activation time for any driver assistance systems, select Warning Timing. Your Genesis comes originally set to Standard. If you would like alerts to be delayed, select Late. To change the sound volume of warning alerts, select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, and then Warning Volume. You can select between high, medium, or low volume settings. If the driving safety priority or parking safety priority boxes are checked, then all other audio volumes will lower when driver safety or parking safety alert systems sound a warning. Even if the vehicle is restarted, warning timing and warning volume will remain at the last setting that you chose. If you select Haptic Warning, you can change the steering wheel haptic feedback between strong, medium, light, or off. This adjusts the steering wheel vibration alerts that can be felt through the driver's hands. Select Forward Safety to turn off or set the warning properties of the automatic braking or forward cross-traffic safety system. Select Lane Safety to turn off or set the warning properties of the Lane Keep Assist function. Select Blind Spot Safety to turn off or set the warning properties of the blind spot monitoring system when driving or when exiting the vehicle. Select Parking Safety to turn off or set the warning properties of any parking safety or collision system, including rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, parking distance warning, and the Surround View Monitor function. Surround View Monitor is a driver assist system that projects exterior camera views onto the infotainment screen during parking. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.